Welcome to All You Can Beat, the place where you can hit that thing. Are you stressed by your work, the news, your family, or the fact that cotton candy was invented by a dentist? All You Can Beat is an online drumming class on Zoom from the comfort of your own room, where we use drumming and hitting things, apart from humans and animals, as our chosen tool to get rid of stress hormones. As a trained drummer and working with loads of students over the past 13 years, I always saw the power of drumming, especially when done together, but also when letting go of too many expectations or self-censorship. During our 50-minute classes, we're using our hands, sticks or chopsticks to hit things, play beats together and play musical games. Oh, and don't worry about your neighbours. Hitting a cushion almost makes no noise, but it's a lot of fun. So come along, no prior knowledge required, and hit it away. Please contact me for any questions and I hope to see you percuss soon. That was an extremely bad steel pun.